Ever imagined traveling from Shanghai to New York in just 2 hours? It may sound like a line straight out of a science fiction novel, but Beijing-based space transportation is turning this into a reality. They are in the process of developing a hypersonic spaceplane that aims to transport passengers across the globe in record time. This is not just a lofty dream. The company has set its sights on conducting a suborbital space tourism test flight in just a year from now, in 2025, and they're not stopping there. By 2030, they plan to launch a full-scale global hypersonic flight, marking a significant milestone in the history of space travel. This ambitious endeavor is not just about speed and efficiency. It's about revolutionizing the way we perceive travel and space exploration. It's about making the seemingly impossible possible. But what does this mean for the average person? The prospect of hypersonic flights has the potential to completely transform the space tourism market. With major Chinese investors backing the project, there's a growing anticipation that this advancement in space technology could drive down costs and make space travel more accessible to everyone, not just the elite. Imagine a world where taking a trip to space is as common as hopping on a plane to visit a different country. A world where the mysteries of the cosmos are within reach for anyone with a sense of adventure and curiosity. This is the future that space transportation is striving to create. The global suborbital transportation and space tourism market is projected to reach $1.44 billion by 2028. If space transportation's plans come to fruition, they could tap into this lucrative market and potentially open up a whole new era of space tourism. So, could we be on the brink of a new era in space travel? Time will surely tell. Have you ever dreamed of being an astronaut seeing Earth from space? Imagine a future where this dream isn't just for a select few, but a reality for many. We're talking about space tourism, a market that's taking off at a stellar pace. By 2028, it's projected that the global suborbital transportation and space tourism market will reach an astronomical $1.44 billion. That's right, billion with a B. Now let's bring ourselves back to Earth for a moment. Space tourism, as it stands today, is an exclusive club. It's not just about having the right stuff, but also about having deep pockets. The costs are, quite literally, sky high. A ticket aboard a suborbital flight can set you back hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's a price tag that makes this dream seem out of reach for most. But here's the exciting part. As with any technology, advancements and economies of scale have the potential to drive down these costs. We've seen it happen with computers, with flat-screen TVs, and with electric cars. Why not space travel? Countries like China are making significant strides in space technology and infrastructure. Beijing-based space transportation, for instance, is developing a hypersonic spaceplane. This ambitious project, backed by significant Chinese investors, aims to tap into the growing market for space tourism and hypersonic point-to-point travel. The idea is simple: more players in the market, more competition, more innovation, lower costs. Lower costs, well, you get the picture. Space tourism could become more accessible to the masses. So, keep your spacesuits at the ready, folks. With the right investments and advancements, space might just become the next vacation spot. Space exploration isn't a solitary endeavor, it's a global effort. But who are the key players? Indeed, the vastness of space is explored not by one, but by many space agencies, each contributing to our growing understanding of the cosmos. Let's delve into the roles of some of the major players. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is perhaps the most well-known. With its iconic moon landing in the late 60s, NASA has been at the forefront of space exploration for decades. Recently, NASA has been focusing on Mars, with the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter providing invaluable data about the red planet. Across the pond, we have the European Space Agency, or ESA. The ESA has been instrumental in studying our own planet, launching satellites that monitor climate change and natural disasters. They've also recently partnered with NASA for the Mars Sample Return mission, aiming to bring Martian soil samples back to Earth. Then there's SpaceX, a private company that has revolutionized space travel. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX has made reusable rockets a reality, significantly reducing the cost of reaching space. They've also launched the Crew Dragon, ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station. And let's not forget the space agencies from other countries contributing to space exploration. The China National Space Administration is developing a hypersonic spaceplane, aiming to make space tourism a reality. The Indian Space Research Organization has made strides in lunar exploration with their Chandrayaan missions. These are just a few of the many organizations that are our eyes and ears in the cosmos. Their work not only contributes to our understanding of space, but also paves the way for future space travel. They're constantly expanding our knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and making space more accessible to all of us. These agencies are our eyes and ears in the cosmos, constantly expanding our knowledge and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've talked about the present, but what does the future hold for space exploration? As we delve into the future of space exploration, one thing is clear: the sky is not the limit. The next frontier may very well be manned missions to Mars. We've seen rovers like Perseverance pave the way, but imagine the possibilities when humans set foot on the red planet. It's not just about planting a flag, it's about developing the technology and infrastructure that could allow us to live on another planet. The search for extraterrestrial life is another exciting aspect of what's to come. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope peering into the furthest reaches of the cosmos, we're not just looking for little green men, we're looking for signs of microbial life, for atmospheres with the right conditions for life as we know it. We're seeking answers to one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? The future of space exploration isn't just about the unknown, it's also about making the known more accessible. Companies around the world are working to make space travel as common as air travel. Imagine a world where a weekend trip to the moon isn't science fiction, but a reality. And while we're on the subject of accessibility, let's not forget the role of technology. With advancements in areas like propulsion systems, spacesuits, and life support systems, we are moving towards a future where space travel is safer and more efficient. Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's about pushing our boundaries, overcoming challenges, and venturing into the unknown. The future of space exploration is as vast and exciting as the cosmos itself. Who knows what discoveries await us? It's been an exciting journey through the cosmos today, but what do you think about all this? Imagine for a moment that you're boarding a hypersonic flight, buckling up for an adventure that'll take you from Shanghai to New York in just a couple of hours. How does that feel? What about the burgeoning market for space tourism? Do you see yourself as one of the early space tourists, or perhaps you're more interested in watching developments from the comfort of Earth? This video has taken us from the latest in hypersonic travel to the role of space agencies in exploration and even a peek into the future. But the conversation doesn't have to end here. We're eager to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these developments? What does the future of space travel and exploration look like to you? But that's not all. If you found this cosmic journey informative and intriguing, why not share it with others? Give the video a thumbs up and help us spread the word. And if you're interested in staying updated with the latest happenings in the universe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're all part of this vast, fascinating universe, and every one of us has a role to play in its exploration. Your ideas, your curiosity, your enthusiasm, it all matters. Remember, the universe is a vast, fascinating place, and together we can explore it. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.